Well, I'm back at the land station now. After videoing the Warner Brothers last night. Go across to my house, just up here. So if we're visiting Ballan, this is my house across here. Big day, a bit better, beautiful. Just down this illegal entrance, down the steps, across the track. Walkway across there. The trees. Station there. It's my little walkway up. Little track. The house again. The wind generator and the solar as well. The gate, the trees, what to do here. It's my 203, just to go to all the gigs. Still here with me. They're showing the cars around, the solar cells that make all the electricity. The steam generator. The little bedroom downstairs. So an ensuite bathroom. Very much. The office. Upstairs bedroom. Well, bedroom that I've moved up further from. Bathroom. Paintings everywhere. My mother did. Xavier College, where the Warner Brothers went to school. The two of them, Mel and Dan. Big painting I got recently. My uncle's sister's. The first white men arriving in New Zealand. About 1840s or something. An available painting now. Paris. Go upstairs and show upstairs too. I'm now living. A little room in there. The bathroom. Central. From the spiral staircase to my area. It's a bit of a mess, of course. All these records and CDs and tapes and all sorts of things around. Ready to go shopping now. It's Christmas Eve, 2011, December 24th. The views out my windows. I don't know what the view. Here we are. Railway line down there. The view out that one. tree up there. To the train station. There's a train station over there. Just across the line as well. Well, I think we've done enough now. There's a train that's just arrived at the station from Ballarat going to Melbourne. They come 15 minutes after the one that I just got off. I might be able to see it pulling out of the station in a second. It's all my land down there. Here goes the train now. It's going to Melbourne. Go up there around the hills. We can see this house from the train line. You can see the train line as it goes. The train as it goes. Brilliant.